How to get a free virtual credit card for free trial. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get a free virtual credit card for yourself. So I'm going to show you this process on the openbank.com where you will be able to get free virtual credit card. So applying for this credit card is also free of cost. So you can also apply or free of charges, and you can start using it straightforward since it's a virtual credit card. And the network is also secure for shoppings, and 3D secure code has been there for the online shoppings, and fee-free payment alert by SMS and push notification. You can also apply for this card instantly, and you can add it in your mobile or smartwatch, and you can use it right away anywhere you want, or you can also use it for travel insurance and while you're traveling as well. So just simply scroll down on the screen, and after that you will be able to see the option called free or buy plastic. So if you choose for the free version of the card, you don't have to pay any amount. You just simply have to apply for the card, and after that you will be able to use it quite easily. But if you want a plastic version of the card, you need to pay some amount for that, and you will be able to get the physical copy of the card on your address after applying for it. So just simply click on apply since you want to apply for a virtual credit card. And after that, on this page you need to enter your details, like in order to create your accounts, and you also have to identify yourself using your identification, and you also have to mention your electronic signature to complete the entire process. So first of all, just enter your promo code if you have any promo code with you available, and if you don't have it, just skip this part. And after that, just fill in your personal details like your ID document. You can also enter the DNI number here, and after that just simply enter your name, your first name, your second name, your last name, and your date of birth, the resident of the place that you are living in right now. And after that just enter your email address, confirm the email address, and create a password to yourself, and click on load. And after that, just on the next page, just verify your identity using the identity card of the place or the city that you are currently living in. And once you are done filling in all these details, just click on start. And the process of getting your virtual credit card from openbank.com, it will take 2 to 3 business days, and you will be able to get a virtual credit card with you within few days, and after that you will be able to use it quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to get a free virtual credit card for free trial. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.